I wanted to be in the shop today to do Tool Tuesday, but Alberta decided to throw a blizzard at us. So we're doing a home office edition of Tool Tuesday. And what I want to discuss, and a lot of people have been asking, Dan, you were struggling to get 100 views of video, and now you're consistently hitting 4 digits, and one is almost at 26,000 views. And I'm going to show you the one simple trick how you can get more views on your videos as well. Thank you for everyone. I reached 3,000 subscribers yesterday, so love to celebrate that. So I use VidIQ, and what most importantly we're going to be doing is showing you how thumbnails and titles are really one of the most important things. You may have great content, but if you're not giving them a reason to click, they're not going to click, and nobody's going to see your awesomeness. So in here we have an old video of mine, and it was the Kai Wheats against the Mac multimeter. And if you take a look, we had best budget multimeters, score of 79 out of 100, the description 67 out of 100, and the thumbnail 31 out of 100. So vidIQ makes it so simple. All you do is you upload your video like this one has been, you hit the quick generate, and it's going to start reviewing the trends, analyzing the channel style, crafting the composition, watching your video actually, and now it's generating the thumbnail. And in a few moments, you're going to see magic appear. Well, hopefully magic. Sometimes it screws up and you have to generate again. But for the most part, it gets it on the very first shot. And there you go. There's a new thumbnail at 100 out of 100. We're going to go ahead and use that. Now we're going to hit the save button. Now that our thumbnail has been updated, but look at vidIQ turns around and gives you suggestions. I am going to just go with the highest rated one, 91, save. But I want to show you, if you do not like the title suggestions, you just hit the refresh button, and while it thinks, it'll give you more and more ideas. See, so far the one I selected is still the best. There's also this one tied. This cheap multimeter has one problem. I don't know. That does create a curiosity, but let's refresh it one more time just in case. And that's definitely the best title for this video. We still only have a score of 67. So if you come down to suggestions, I would turn around and take that. I'm just going to take this, copy it, go back to the top, get rid of all this other gobbledygook paste, see if it does any better. Suggest tags. I'm already at 100, so we're good. I'm just going to hit save. So if you go through this link right here, vidiq.com, nice chunk, it's an affiliate link, but you will get 7 days of vidIQ Boost, which is the pro version. So go ahead, click on the vidiq.com nice junk link, get your 7 days of boost, have fun with it, refresh some thumbnails. It gives you unlimited thumbnail revisions, and really for a week free, you can't go wrong because it doesn't cost you anything. So make sure to use that link in the description, and you too can go from 100 to 26,000 virtually overnight. And I hope you are successful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe. 90% of you aren't subscribed. Come on, just click that button. And that was some nice junk. We'll see you next week. And really, if you guys succeed, I succeed. It only makes sense. The more views you guys are going to get, the more you're going to be interested in YouTube, and the more views I'm going to get. So it's a win-win. And it's just the right thing to do.